One fine morning, a sage completed all his daily rituals and sat in his hut. Then one great divine sage came into the hut. The first sage bowed down to the divine sage and asked a question. Sir, I have a list of 16 various holy qualities. Is anybody there owns all these 16 qualities on this globe in this contemporary period? Please, sir, if anyone is there, kindly reveal the name. He must be contemporary to us. The 16 qualities are as follows. The first one, who is a fair person. Second character, who is a great warrior. The third quality, who is virtuous. Fourth quality, who is grateful. Fifth one, who is truthful person. Sixth one, who is strong-willed person. Seventh one, who has good character. The eighth character is who is eco-friendly person. Ninth character, who is a scholar. 10th one, who is a good capable person. 11th character, who is always beloved one to all. 12th one, who has a good soul and who is a courageous person. 13th character, who controls his anger and temper. 14th character, one who shines and glows always. 15th one who is not having any jealousy. 16th, one who frightens even devatas by showing his anger. Sir, these are the 16 qualities. Is there anybody having these 16 qualities? Please tell the noble person's name. Please, sir. The divine sage answered to that question. A person is there with the 16 qualities in addition with many more good qualities. He is Ikshvakuvanshaprabhavo Ramo nama janaiः srutah. Ramo nama janaiः srutah. Niyatatma mahaviryo dyutiman Dhrutiman Vashi Buddhiman Nitiman Vagmi Sriman Shatrunibarhanaha Vipulamso Mahabahuhu Kambugrivo Mahahanuhu Mahorasko Maheshvaso Gudhajatrurarindamaha आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समः समविभक्ताङ्गस्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानाञ्च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिसमः श्रीमान् धाता रिपुनिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदवेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभाणवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधु अदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्रैव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैकप्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्रैव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथः सुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया. My dear friend, these are some qualities of him. He also has many more good qualities. The first sage is Valmiki Maharshi, and the second divine sage is Sri Narada Devarshi. तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवम्. The 16 qualities in Samskrita language. First one, Gunavan kaha. Second one, वीर्यवान कहा. थर्ड वन, धर्मज्ञः कहा. फोर्थ वन, कृतज्ञः कहा. फिफ्थ वन, सत्यवाक्यः कहा. सिक्स्थ वन, दृढ़व्रतः कहा. सेवेंथ वन, चारित्रेण च को युक्तः. एय्थ, सर्वभूतेषु को हितः. नाइन्थ वन, विद्वान् कः. टेन्थ वन, समर्थः कः. 11th, सदा एकप्रियदर्शनः कः. 12th वन, आत्मवान् कः. 13th, जितक्रोधः कः. 14th, द्युतिमान् कः. It is who is द्युतिमान्. 15th one, अनसूयकः कः. 16th character, कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे. These are 16 rare characters. These 16 characters are very rare characters, durlabha characters. Bahavo durlabhaschaiva ye tvaya kirtita gunaha mune vakshyamyaham buddhva tairyuktas sruyatan naraha. Mangalam kosalendraya mahaniya gunabdhaye महनीय गुणात्मने चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम्. सार्वभौमाय मंगलम्. मंगलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्यपुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैः आचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मंगलम्. स्वस्ति. श्री रामचंद्र परब्रह्मणे नमः. श्री सीता लक्ष्मण समेत रामचंद्र परब्रह्मणे नमः. समस्त परिवाराय सर्वदिव्यमंगलविग्रहाय श्री रामचंद्र परब्रह्मणे नमः.